All right, so what you're about to watch is a segment of a fan mail unboxing that I created for my second channel. But as I was going through it, I received something from YouTube that I was very excited to open, and I opened it, and it didn't quite go exactly where I was thinking it was going, so it turned into this content right here that I wanted to share on this channel because, wow, YouTube, nice job there. And finally, we have this package from YouTube that they sent me. I think I know what this is. I have a good guess, but this could be a very special little moment right here. Okay, so they sent me a package that inside of it, it's this right here. It's like an inch deep. It had this piece of cushioning inside of it. It had a letter inside of it that's on cardstock from the CEO of YouTube, but there's no silver play button inside of it. So, what? I think they might have forgotten to send me something inside of this package. It's nothing inside of the box. So I have a form letter from the CEO of YouTube, but I guess they forgot to send me my silver play button, which kind of weird. Don't know what to do with that one. So there you have it. YouTube, instead of sending me a silver play button, sent me an empty box. I did get this, that's pretty cool, and this form letter that's actually wrinkled and has smudges on it, but no silver play button for me. So, I don't even know what to do now. What do I email till I get this fixed? But wow, YouTube, impressive.